I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. Hey, I try my best to talk to you. Tell you about the things I like.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, in today's video, I'm doing a little home update, guys. I'm going to show you some rustic glam shelf styling. I hope you enjoy. So I picked up 3 of these shelves from the reject shop last year, and I never got around to getting hubby to put them up for me. I found them in my garage where I had them in storage, and I decided while we're in lockdown, we're doing a few DIY projects that we wanted to get on top of, and this was one of them.
Standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime?
Now, you would have seen in my recent videos I've been changing around my breakfast area, and I decided I really wanted to add these in that area so I could style them in all different ways.
Okay, you tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything you ask me to.
So once it was all complete, I couldn't wait to style them. And what I'm going to start with, guys, are some of these beautiful white fake roses that I picked up from TK Maxx probably about 2 years ago. I actually have 4 of these, guys, but I'm going to use 3 here on the shelves. Now, when it comes to styling my shelves, it's always about visual height for me, and the flowers being the highest point. These beautiful Z Gallery pumpkins come in a group of 3, but I'm going to style them individually on each shelf. Now, to the right-hand side, I'm going to add this beautiful flower box, which is from Bunnings.
Just can't stop thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime?
Now, starting on the second shelf, we're going to take another one of those beautiful white roses, and this time I'm going to place it on the right-hand side. So now to the left-hand side, I'm going to add the most stunning, beautiful glam pumpkins that I own. They are from my sweet friend here on YouTube, Betsy Ann, who gifted these to me last year. And they are my favourite by far, guys, and they go perfect with the rustic glam feel.
Try to figure out who I am.
So we're now going to start on the bottom shelf, and again using those beautiful white roses, I'm going to place them on the left-hand side. I'm then going to take the smaller of those Z Gallery pumpkins, and I'm going to place that also on the left-hand side.
without you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes
Now to the right, I'm going to place the larger of the Z Gallery pumpkins.
but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Now then, taking this really pretty blush pink little book of Dior, what I'm going to do, guys, is stand it upright and open it out.
Best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was
Now to the middle, I added this blush pink pumpkin, as well as this pretty Chanel ribbon on top.
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me.
Now, I bought in my beautiful large arch mirror from my entryway here, and I love the feel to this mirror. I've added this pretty blush pink wreath to the centre. Now to the bottom of the shelves, I bought in my tufted storage bench, also from my entryway, and placed it underneath. I love this bench, guys. It's from 1825 Interiors, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this beautiful glam pumpkin cushion that is also from my sweet friend here on YouTube, Betsy Ann, and I'm going to place that on the left-hand side.
all I have.
You know we
I'm then going to place these beautiful glitter initial pumpkins, one at the top and one at the bottom.
need you there with me to go on.
Now, because I'm going with a very neutral theme, I added my beautiful table runner, which is from Z Gallery, as well as this white lace pumpkin that I picked up 2 years ago from TK Maxx.
When I try.
Now, to the left-hand side, I have this small table and a French provincial mirror that I spray painted gold. I'm going to add my Chanel book here, as well as this beautiful silver pumpkin. This, guys, was my very first pumpkin I ever bought from TK Maxx, and it was on clearance for just $2.95.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up, 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light.
So guys, I'm so happy with how my shelves came. Thanks to my amazing hubby who brought my vision to life. I'm so happy that I chose to put these in my breakfast area.
I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town.
Now here in Australia, guys, we are coming to the end of winter. But this is how I decorate for fall right through to Halloween here. Who can tell me what they will be decorating with? What's your style for pumpkin season? It's my favourite season of the whole year, guys. And Christmas comes very close second. So I can't wait to style these shelves for Christmas as well.
By the light. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decorating. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, please stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.